Hi, this is Jyoti and you are in my little treat corner. Today I am going to make chili chicken. This is different from the chili chicken you get in Chinese restaurants in India, but it's very common in Sikkim. So I'm going to call it Sikkim style chili chicken. So let's do it. This is 1 kg of whole chicken with bone cut into small pieces. In the market you get this as curry cut. To this I am going to add a quarter cup of vinegar, about a little less than half a cup of soy sauce, and I am going to mix this well and keep it aside. For the gravy I am using 7 onions and 5 tomatoes because my tomatoes are big and the onions are not as big. But the idea is to use equal amount of both. Now I am going to slice the onions. When you cut the onions in half, make sure you remove the center cleanly, otherwise your onion layers will not separate. The slices need to be thin but not paper thin. This dish is meant to be spicy, so I am using 14 chilies of the spicy variety, but you can reduce the chili as per your taste. I am splitting the chilies halfway through so all the spice does not get into the food. But for those who like the heat, they can squeeze out the rest of the spice from the chilies while eating. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would rate this at 7 for spiciness. Some chopped coriander leaves, say about a cup. And now I am going to slice the tomatoes. I am cutting each half into half because the tomatoes are too big, but if you are using smaller tomatoes, this is not necessary. I am going to heat a 3/4 cup of oil in a saucepan. I am using a non-stick pan here, but it will taste better if you use an iron wok or kadhai. The oil needs to be hot, but not too hot. Once you see these small bubbles rising up to the surface, you can put your onions in. I'm putting the chilies also now. The onions have become soft, so I'm going to put a half a teaspoon of salt. This helps the onion fry quicker. I didn't put it earlier because then the onions would have released too much of water. Now that it's little dry, I can add it. Once the onions begin to brown like this, I'm going to put my tomatoes in. Now I'm going to put the chicken. This induction cooktop does not have a very high maximum temperature, so you can see a lot of water being released from the chicken. If you cook at a higher temperature, there won't be so much water. I'm adding salt now when the water has reduced quite a bit. And I am going to let this fry until it becomes almost dry. So we are looking for this consistency. I am adding the coriander leaves now. And mixing it in. This is done. We usually eat this with steamed rice, but you can reduce the quantity of onions and tomatoes and use boneless chicken to make a starter out of it. So that was my chili chicken. This is a favorite with my family and hope you enjoy it too. If you like this video, please click the like button, and if you want to see more such videos, Please subscribe to my channel and share with others too. Thank you for watching my video and hope to see you all soon.